The value of time. Once in a small town, there lived a boy named Asif. He was smart and kind, but had one problem: he always wasted time. He would delay his homework, ignore his chores, and spend hours playing games or watching videos. One day, his teacher announced a big science competition. Asif was excited and signed up immediately. But as usual, he kept delaying the work. "I'll start tomorrow," he told himself every day. Soon the submission day came, and Asif had nothing ready. He rushed to put something together, but it didn't work. At school, he watched as other students proudly showed their amazing projects. Asif felt embarrassed and disappointed. After school, his teacher came to him and gently said, "Asif, you have great ideas, but success doesn't come from ideas alone. It comes from using your time wisely." That day, Asif realized how much time he had wasted. From then on, he started planning his day, doing his work on time, and balancing fun and responsibility. Months later, he won the next school competition not just because of his talent, but because he had learned the value of time. Moral: time is one of the most valuable things we have. Use it wisely, and it will take you far.